My name is Felicia Chidinma Tobin. I'm a Nigerian by nationality. What actually brought me to India was the problem I had. I was diagnosed cancer of the right mandible.
When she was discovered with oral cancer, it struck her like a bolt. Her entire life was in front of her. It almost seemed as if everything is going to go down the drain. There was no relief from her local hospitals. Most of them thought that the cancer was very deep and it was impossible to treat it.
A friend of mine googled and saw one's hospital, and we telecommunicated with one of the doctors, Dr. Sunil Choudhary.
When she came over from Nigeria, the first thing she said is that she wanted her face to be restored back to normal, and I promised her that not only will restore her things in time, but we will send her back in one piece.
After the lab process, everything, I was due for operation.
Felicia underwent a 8 to 9 hour surgery where the cancer surgeons took out her right side of the jaw. They took out the right side of the inner lining of the cheek. It left a big defect. So what we did is we actually made a 3D model. You can see this model that we made of Felicia's jaw. This side, one of the teeth is missing. You can see that this part was involved with cancer. This is the part which is going to be taken out. And so we had this template beforehand with which we could see what kind of bone molding we needed when we took the bone from her leg. The bone that we took from the leg is the small bone called fibula.
I saw myself smiling.
So in her particular case, we took the bone and the skin from the leg. It was transplanted onto her face, exactly shaped according to the defect that we had by cutting the bone and joining it with plates and screws, the titanium microplates. These can be left in forever because they are biocompatible.
I'll forever be grateful to them, all of them, the team doctors in Wax. They are wonderful people. I say thank you very much for all you have done.
All the procedures that we do, they're all team efforts. Not one surgeon can do everything. I'm really proud of the team that I have, and we've been very lucky that we can offer such solace to so many cancer and other patients where reconstruction can really restore not only their bodies, but it can actually rebuild their lives.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest healthcare updates.